Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Up Trends, where you can get the best reviews for all of your tech needs. If you're on the lookout for a brand new TV, you've come to the right place. Today we'll be reviewing the LG C2 OLED 48-inch TV. We'll talk about its specs, unique features, pros and cons, and lastly, our rating for it to help you decide whether it's the right buy for you. If you find the information in this video valuable, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. So let's get right into it. Now, if you're the type of person who's always up to date with the latest LG products, then you might already be aware that the LG C2 OLED is the successor of the famed LG C1 OLED. And if you want to go further back, the latter is the successor of the LG CX OLED. But going back to the C1 OLED TV, it was released in 2021. In line with that, the C2 OLED TV, which we'll be talking about in this video, is basically an amped up or a super enhanced version of the C1 variant. The brand itself dubs this TV as one of the best and brightest OLED TVs in the market. It also prides itself on how slim and sleek the design is, aside from the brilliant image display and picture quality. But what do we mean by OLED? We have mentioned it quite a lot of times in this video, and yet we're just getting started. Let's talk about its definition, shall we? OLED stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode. It is also otherwise known as Organic Electroluminescent or Organic EL Diode. More about it, OLED is a technology that uses LEDs wherein light is produced by organic molecules. So OLED displays have around 8.3 million pixels that have the power to brighten, dim, or be turned on or off completely, giving the screen the capacity to display perfect blacks and intense colors. OLED televisions, much like the LG C2 OLED, have no backlight, which allows for an awesome viewing experience, especially if you'll be utilizing it in a dark room. Now, this TV comes in various sizes. There's a 42-inch variant, a 55-inch one, 65-inch, 77-inch, and 83-inch. But today, we'll be specifically talking about the 48-inch version. We think it is just the optimal size for at-home viewing. Not too small, not too big, suits a regular-sized living room just right, and won't hurt your eyes at all. Again, as one of LG's newly released TVs, this one just came out in 2022. It's a TV that's got all you want and more. It can connect to Wi-Fi, it has Bluetooth, you can mount it on the wall, and when it comes to audio, it has spectacular quality. It has DOLBY audio, so you will be really immersed in the world of whatever show or movie it is that you're watching. As for the resolution of the TV, it will really make you say, wow. Why? Because it also has got Dolby Vision. As mentioned earlier, it can connect to Wi-Fi, so it is a smart TV. It's got AIRPLAY 2, HomeKit, and voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa. Alexa, can you find me one of the best LG TVs out there? Oh wait, it's the LG C2 OLED 42-inch. Thanks. Going back, you can stream on your favorite streaming apps like Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, HBO Max, Hulu, Netflix, and even YouTube with this LG TV. Imagine the number of shows, movies, and videos you can stream on this TV. The possibilities are just endless. Moving on to the price, the LG C2 OLED 48-inch TV is priced at around $1,500 at the time of this video. We will also be leaving a link below this video regarding its up-to-date pricing. Going back though, that's not too bad for a TV with that many specs, is it? But you may be wondering now, what makes this such a unique TV? Well, as mentioned earlier, because it's an OLED TV, it works so well in dark rooms. So if you love watching movies at home instead of going and lining up at the cinema, this will be a great movie experience for you. No need to go to movie theaters if you've got the LG C2 OLED TV right in your house. No more waiting for tickets and lineups, sitting in crowded cinemas, hearing hushed whispers or chewing noises from other people, or getting your seat kicked repeatedly. With the LG C2 OLED TV, you can have a full-on cinema experience right in the comfort of your own home. Let's get into the pros and cons of this TV. We'll start off with going over the cons first. Number 1. As I discussed earlier on in this video, it has various models when it comes to size. It has been said that the smallest models of this TV are not as bright, so you might have to splurge a couple of $100 extra in getting the bigger versions just to acquire the variant that has a better and brighter resolution. If you have the budget, this will not necessarily be a problem for you. Number 2. Another one is the fact that its colors may be a bit dull and not as breathtaking as you may expect them to be. There's sort of a lackluster feel to it, but it's not very noticeable. Number 3, it does not support HDR10+, which for some people is a non-negotiable for a TV. This contributes to the fact that it's not as bright as some of its other competitors in the TV market. But to be honest, these are small cons that won't be noticeable to most buyers. As for the pros, number 1, it's gaming friendly. If you're not a movie buff or a sitcom lover, perhaps you're into gaming. And we have good news for you. This TV has low input lag, which makes for lightning fast gameplay. No more awkward pauses and dying in the game just because you lagged. And its gaming features will definitely blow your mind. It's almost tailor-made for gamers. It's got a 120Hz refresh rate, a low and almost instant response time, and VRR for G-Sync and FreeSync systems. Also, it supports next-generation console gaming via the HDMI 2.1 interface. Gaming in whatever form you like is absolutely a breeze with this TV. That being said, gamers will love the LG C2 OLED 48-inch TV. Number 2. It supports almost all of the streaming apps you will need. Some TVs only support YouTube and Netflix, but with the LG C2 OLED, you've got way more options. We all know that Netflix doesn't have all the shows you might want to watch. What if your new favorite series is on Amazon Prime or on Hulu? Well, with this TV, this is not something to worry about. Number 3. In terms of motion skills, it's a 10 out of 10. There's almost no blur on fast-moving objects, so be it TV shows, movies, games, or even just the news, like you're there, seeing whatever is happening up close and personal in real life. As for the verdict, are you ready to hear this? I'm rating it an 8 out of 10. Pretty high up in the ranking, right? Now the question you might be pondering is, why? Well, it's got all that you want and need from a TV, and maybe even a little more. But it does have its weaknesses, and maybe LG can further improve on that in the future models. However, this is a steal for the price. A great TV for around $1,500? That's a bargain. If you're planning to buy a new TV, you're a fan of LG products, or maybe you want to try out the LG brand for a change, this might just be the one that you're looking for. Calling all movie enthusiasts, TV show lovers, and hardcore gamers. This is 100% an optimal choice for you. With that, if you're interested in discovering more about the LG C2 OLED 48-inch TV and its pricing, be sure to check out the link in the description box down below. Again, this would be a great choice for those who love watching their comfort shows or films in the dark and really want that immersive experience at home, as well as those who have a passion for gaming. If you got value from this video, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like and turn the notification bell on to get notified when we release more videos like this to help you find the tech perfect for you and more. Also, check out this next video you might also like and find useful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.